Hello everyone. Through this video, we will understand how to determine the line of regression of y on x and x on y. So if we are given two regression equations and we are asked that which one is y on x and which is x on y, then there is a procedure to follow. Let us see how do we do it. So there are two equations given to us, x plus 2y equals to 5 and 2x plus 3y equals to 8. So let me call the first one as equation number 1 and the second one as equation number 2. So step 1 is that I randomly assume any one of the equations as y on x and the other one as x on y. So I am assuming that x plus 2y equals to 5, that is this first equation is x on y. This is my random assumption. Arbitrarily I am taking it. So therefore the second equation will be y on x. But it needs verification. So step 1, that I have assumed any one of the equations as x on y, the other one as y on x. Second step is that I'm going to compute bxy and byx, that is the regression coefficients associated with these regression equations, and check for that. So I compute bxy since I'm working with x on y as equation number 1. So x plus 2y equals to 5. I keep my variable x on one side of the equation and take variable y and the constant on the other side. So this becomes my equation, which is x on y. This should be taken as a constant and this taken as a slope. So my b equals to, or per se bxy equals to minus 2. Next is byx, which will be found with the help of equation y on x, which is given as 2x plus 3y equals to 8. So keeping my y on one side, on the left hand side, and taking x on the other side. So it becomes 8 by 3 minus 2 by 3x. So the coefficient byx, this becomes constant, this becomes byx. The regression coefficient is minus 2 by 3. So we have bxy with us, we have byx with us. So next step is that you take the product of the regression coefficients. And this must be less than equal to 1 if your assumption about the equations is correct. If you get your product greater than 1, then that means your assumption was incorrect. So when we proceed with the bxy and byx found in the question, we get 4 by 3, which is greater than 1. So the assumption which we took about the equations being x on y or y on x are incorrect. Therefore, the correct answer is that first equation is not x on y but y on x. And second equation is not y on x but x on y. Okay. So we can also verify for these two equations. We can again compute bxy and byx and can take their product. We must definitely get that less than equal to 1. Let's see it once. Now this time we have found that x on y is 2x plus 3y equals to 8. So 2x on this side, 8 minus 3y, further 4 minus 3 by 2 y. So bxy in this case is minus 3 by 2. For y on x, this one is y on x, x plus 2y equals to 5. So keeping your y on one side, taking x on the other side, so y equals to 5 by 2 minus x by 2. So byx here is minus 1 by 2. Now let us take the product of these two. regression coefficients. Bxy is this and Byx is this. So we said that the product of the two regression coefficients must be less than equal to 1. Let us see that. Minus 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 2. This becomes 3 by 4, which is definitely less than 1. Therefore, the assumption or the answer what we are getting is correct now. So it is verified that x plus 2y equals to 5 is equation y on x, and 2x plus 3y equals to 8 is equation x on y. Thank you.